Hello guys, welcome back. So back in the days, there was this woman at the junction who sold the best akara in the town. You had to queue early or you would miss out. I do save pocket money to just buy the akara and bread, and if I come home I will now make pap. It was such a good memory. Now, the first time I tried to make akara, it turned out flat and oily, but I didn't give up. I learned the secret, the right texture of the beans paste, and the hot oil. Now, look at me flipping akara like a pro. Never be afraid to mess up in the kitchen. That's how you get better. So another thing is I will find it difficult to wake up and wash my beans for akara or moi. But since I learned the method of putting it inside the blender to peel the back, it started becoming so easier for me to make akara or moi in the morning. So you have to soak it in the water for just 5 minutes. Then you blend it and wash the back off. So after that, you can blend it. And while blending it, just put a little bit of water. Don't just blend it without water. Here I added 1 egg. You can put 2 eggs depending on how consistent you want it. So after that, I have to pour it in the bowl and I'll add a little bit of salt. I stir it properly. This is the main one. You have to stir it properly. Then after stirring it, you put your oil and you fry it in a low heat. First, add your vegetable oil in a pot or in a frying pan and allow it to get hot like 5 minutes. Then you add a little bit of akara. Whenever you see it flipped up on its own, you know that it's ready to fry your akara. So you start adding your akara little by little, and whenever you see the akara popping up on its own, then you flip it around and then you allow it to fry for 5 minutes or until it is golden brown. So I used to love those small crunchy akara. You know, the ones that fry till they are golden brown and make that crunchy sound when you bite it. Back then, whenever I want to go and buy the akara, I will now ask the woman to put plenty of it as jara. So today I am recreating that same street flavor right in my kitchen. Those were my favorite, and you know it is not complete without pap. That smooth warm pap just balances everything. Hot akara, cold morning, perfect comfort. Yeah, now anytime I make akara and pap, it feels like bringing a piece of home right into my kitchen. Now, in a bowl, mix your pap with warm water and go in with hot water gently until it is thickened. Then after that, you stir it properly and add sugar, honey, or whatever you prefer to take the pap with. And our pap and akara is ready. Tell me, how do you like your akara in the morning? Soft or extra crunchy? That is the real Naija breakfast vibe. If I've watched this voice, thank you so much. If you're watching my video for the first time, you are highly welcome. And do consider follow us for more videos. And keep watching Cheesy Delish Kitchen. See you next time in my next one. Bye. Ciao, ciao.